Hello there. What if you could map a terrain with 95% plus accuracy with a shorter time than it normally takes? Welcome to the future. This is what we do with drone technology at Geoinfotech. At Geoinfotech, we are revolutionizing surveying and mapping techniques by combining precision of LiDAR, and unmanned area vehicle systems. With this workflow, a project that will have taken months using traditional method just takes hours or days using this method. So by joining our comprehensive workshops and training, you can learn advanced drone flight patterns for optimal data capture. You also learn LiDAR integration techniques that increases accuracy by centimeter level. Data analysis method that saves 90% of project time. On Friday, 29th of November 2024, we'll be live at Oluwalogun House, Testing Ground Bus Stop, Obafemi Awolowo. For the first 10 applicants, we'll be giving you exclusive discounts for our masterclass. Can you register via the link on your screen? All right, see you there.